this has been the project that I've had like the best feedback from externally, from sharing it with potential employers and my old colleagues and things like that. So it was the off-screen brief from Shillington. So it was one of the later briefs that we did. It was for a comedy festival. And yeah, we had to create an element of the brief that was made physically and photographed to bring into the brief. The brief speculated that it was like diverse perspectives, fresh voices, and I kind of wanted to take that kind of expressive energy and take it into expressions, facial expressions, and that's kind of how I moved forward with this brief. I created these little faces and yeah, I had a great time. I started off, so here's my creation of the faces. I started off thinking that maybe they were going to be a collage, but it ended up by feeling a bit 2D and not like lively enough. So I ended up by doing a bit of research and came across these clay sets on Amazon, and I found these brightly coloured foam clay and sculpted them into little faces. Had a great afternoon making them have little personalities, giving them funny little teeth and eyes. And then I set up a little photographic studio in my room and used a nice little backdrop to give it some vibrancy. Yeah, I was living in a shared house at the time, and they were like, "Oh, that's cool. It's a bit weird." But yeah, I'd done an art school course before I started Shillington, so they'd kind of grown used to me being like, "Oh, I'm doing collage today." Like, "Oh, I've like done some screen printing and stuff." It wasn't completely out of the box for me to start being like, "Oh, I've like sculpted some faces," but I was super excited. I showed everyone that came to my house my faces. I got them out of their little box and was like, "Oh, look what I made." I could have made them I could have made so many more, but I had to just stop myself because I had to actually photograph them and put them into the project. But they were something that I think really brought this project to life for me and has really made it stand out in my portfolio as something a bit different, something a bit quirky, creative, and just thinking about things not just on screen, which was something I really enjoyed about this project, not being in front of the laptop. It's not just like, oh, I've illustrated something in Illustrator or I've edited some photos nicely in Photoshop. Like, this has been something that's like you've pushed it that little bit further. You've thought about something in a different way and you've stepped away from your computer to actually like make something.